Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're going to be covering how to turn large numbers into scientific notation. So, scientific notation is a way to write really big numbers or really small numbers in a shorter, cleaner form. Instead of writing a bunch of zeros, we use powers of 10. So, to convert scientific notation back to standard form, please first look at the exponent. Since all of these exponents are positive, we're working with big numbers. That means we move to the decimal to the right. The exponent tells us exactly how many places to move it. For example, with the first example, we move the decimal 6 places to the right because our exponent says so. So, we're going to repeat this for all of our three problems, and you'll always get the correct standard form final answer. So, let's start with number 1, where we have 4.7 times 10 to the power of 6. And again, because the exponent is positive, we're going to move to the right, and it will be a large number. So, let's start doing this. So, the first thing we want to do is we just want to write our 4.7. So, we're going to write our 4.7 somewhere around here. 4.7. So, now all we have left to do is we have to look at our exponent and move the amount of places to the right the exponent tells us to. So we have an exponent of 6. So we're going to move our decimal 6 times to the right like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you can fill these empty spaces all up with zeros like this, and you will get your final answer. Now all you have left to do is you have to just rewrite this problem with the decimal in the correct spot. So our final answer will be 4,700,000, like this. And this will be our final answer, 4,700,000. Let me make this a bit more nicely like this, so you guys can understand. So, on to our second example, where we have 2 times 10 to the power of 9. So, again, what we're going to do is we're just going to write our 2 somewhere over here. So, the standard place for a decimal, if you don't have a decimal already in your number, is just to the right of the number. So, now we're going to move the decimal from here 9 times because our exponent says so. So, we're going to move 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, this is a bit crooked, but it's okay. Now, again, we're just gonna fill in zeros in the empty spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. My bad, guys. It is very, very crooked, but it's okay. So, now this, all, all we're gonna left to do, all to do is, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rewrite our answer with the decimal in the correct spot. So, of course, just write your 2 and count our zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we're going to just put 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And again, this will be our final answer. So, now for the last example, we have 8.35 times 10 to the power of 4. So, oh, my bad, guys. I forgot to put commas here so you don't get confused. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and like this. So, we have 8.35 times 10 to the power of 4. So, this one is going to be a bit smaller, just so you know. You can also get it a bit smaller. So, again, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just write our 8.35 right here. 0.35. So, now look at the exponent again and move the decimal 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you guys can see, we only have to fill 2 spaces with zeros this time, like this. 1, 2. So, this can also occur, and you don't have to get confused about it, because this is also the right answer. So now, again, we're just gonna rewrite it with it in the correct spot. So again, just write your 835, and then the 2 zeros, 1, 2, and this will be our final answer of the last example. So, this was basically the video, guys. And so remember, positive exponent, move right, count carefully, and the zeros will do the rest. Don't forget to put the commas, and don't forget to accidentally not remove the decimal. So, this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments, and as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.